Hello everybody, myself Milan Patil. Today I am here with an very important video regarding very important topic, that is admission procedure for standard level. As you are aware that Goa board has cancelled its SSC examination of March 2021, which was supposed to held in April 2021. As you are aware that Goa board has cancelled class 10 SSC examination of this year, that is 2021, and decided to make the result of the same on the basis of internal assessment conducted by the school. Now, for admission to science stream and other diploma courses, successful candidate will have to appear for entrance examination conducted by Goa board, which will be notified in advance. Now, in this video, we will see the details regarding the same. So myself Milan Patil, so let's begin with the video. Goa Class 11 Entrance Examination 2021 for Science Diploma Stream to be based on the MCQ, that is multiple choice question. You will get the details here. As per the latest update, the Goa board is all set to hold the entrance examination for the admission to class 11th in science and diploma streams will be based on multiple choice questions. The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has released the detailed marking scheme for the Class 11 Entrance Exam 2021 with all the necessary details. As per the details shared by the board, the test will contain multiple choice question with each question carrying 1 mark. Goa Board Marking Scheme announced. The marking scheme announced by the Goa Board says that the Class 11 admission test will consist of 120 questions, of which 60 questions each will be of mathematics and science. Candidate will be given a total of 150 minutes to answer this question. While the marking scheme for the admission test has been revealed, the board has not notified any specific date for the same. Entrance exam details. Goa board has announced that the exam will be conducted based on the mathematics and science syllabus for the 2021-2022 academic year, with one single question paper consisting of 2 parts, mathematics and science. The board has stated that each question will be provided with 4 objectives and the responses for each question are to be indicated by marking the correct answer. Each answer will carry 1 mark and there will be no negative marking. Now let us see the details. For the admission to class 11 science stream and diploma courses for the academic year 2020 and 2022. Now time duration is total 150 minutes. You will be given 120 questions will be there, which will carry 1 mark. So the maximum marks is 120. Each question paper will consist of MCQ question of 2 sections, section A and section B. Section A will consist of 60 questions of science and 60 questions of mathematics. So there will be total 120 questions, which will be total marks will be 120. Now each question will have 4 alternatives. As many of you must have answered Olympiad exam. So similarly you will be given OMR sheet wherein you have to shade the correct alternative. Each question will carry 1 mark and there will be no negative marking. So this is the added advantage for the student. Now let's talk about the syllabus. The syllabus for the mathematics remains the same. However, the marks have been changed because the mathematics paper, the main paper, theory paper was of 80 marks and now it is of 60. So the syllabus remains the same, that is the curtailed syllabus which was followed last year, that is 2020-2021, and this is the marks of each chapter. So here you will find the details. So total marks will be 60 marks for mathematics. Now let's see about science. So science syllabus is more or less same. Marks also, as you know, the theory paper is of 65 marks. Now the paper will be of 60 marks. If you feel this video has helped you in this some or the other way, then subscribe my channel, hit on the bell icon to get notification about the latest video. In my upcoming video, I will be doing MCQ question which will be targeting the entrance exam. Thank you.